Sanmonan, my name is Sipo Rishos. I am an affiliate. I sell for companies online. So today I'm just gonna give you a few steps of how you can make plus minus $2,000 a month working at home. The first point, you have to follow instructions as you are given. Second, I have my best niches that I know that they do work online. Meaning, when people go online, they go search about these niches. So I'm just gonna give you 4 niches that you're gonna have to follow or promote if you wanna make quick bucks online. The first one is gonna be fitness and health companies, crypto and stock trading, software companies, and general internet marketing. Meaning all these companies, you go check these companies online and then you register under them. You request a link so that you wanna promote them. You wanna do affiliation online so that you can stand a chance of making a lot of commission. Because if those kind of companies are on demand at that time, meaning you're gonna sell for them and then you stand a chance of making quick bucks, because those companies are in demand. They are trending. Many people, when they go online at that time or at that season, they go check for these companies. They want fitness, health and all that. So meaning you're gonna stand a chance of making a lot of money online. Third one, you have to do drop shipping. Drop shipping meaning you're gonna advertise, like you click the link below and then you go straight to the shop of AliExpress. You see what products we have at that time, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna search which product people are buying the most. You check the order numbers there, and then you can take those pictures of those products. You go advertise in your social platforms so that you can get a number of people that gonna buy that kind of stuff, and then they gonna pay you maybe in your PayPal account. You're gonna communicate with them, they're gonna pay you, and then after paying you like that, you're gonna go buy. You click the link below and then you buy straight in the shop. And then what you're gonna do so that they can get the product that they bought from you, and then you're gonna put their address online so that AliExpress is gonna deliver that stuff or that product to their address. Because if you put your address, it's gonna be a problem now, because you'll have to do shipping by yourself at home, which is gonna be difficult maybe sometimes, because you're gonna end up losing the profit. So you might even lose more than that, you see. So it's a problem for you if you're gonna do those kinds of things. So what you're gonna do to add on drop shipping, you're gonna do this. You're gonna choose the very trending product. Of course, if you do these things that I just told you just now, you're gonna stand a chance of making a lot of money online. This is not a play game. You have to do these things as we tell you. Don't just go online, you listen to us speaking, telling you all the things, and you are not doing anything, because you're not gonna see any good results if you are not doing things. Just go online, listen to what we tell you, and then go start the things, and then open. If you don't have YouTube channel, open it. And then you don't have Facebook, open Meetup, WhatsApp, all these social platforms. You must have Instagram as well, Twitter, and all those guys. Telegram, you can also have Telegram. Just have all these social platforms and then put your stuff there. You go to the graphic designers, they can help you. They are very good in what they do. You're gonna request them to design for you a logo so that people, they're gonna know you by that logo in a long run, and then they're gonna trust you, and then they're able to buy stuff from you. Like I've been having my logo for a long time of Craft Life affiliations. I sell for craft life, I sell for big companies, even properties, I sell all that. If you don't do things, and then you don't stand a chance of making money online. If you find this channel good for you, please click subscribe there. Please click subscribe, and then you can like us, and then you can also click that bell there. You click that bell there so that we can be able to also communicate with you all the time. You can get our videos online so that you can get help that you want. Thank you.